Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. In that tutorial, we're just gonna learning about the Adobe Photoshop. So we are in class 3 now, and I'm really apologize because some days I really don't have time for take exact class. So I'm back with a new lesson. So in that lesson, we are not making too much bigger, but we are offering so much quality knowledge in that short time. So we have already know about these tools, right? So in that tool, we have Rectangular Marquee tools, Elliptical Marquee tools. We have already described about that. But if you are making a design in Adobe Photoshop like the Adobe Illustrator, and one thing I have to describe you, so don't compare with Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator because they both are not same. Because if you compare it together, so it's like same together, same like that, but it will be it make you confused because Adobe Illustrator work on the vector and Adobe Photoshop work on the raster. When you work on your photo, the Adobe Photoshop is really helpful for you. So in here we have talked about the Rectangular Marquee tools and the Elliptical Marquee tools. So in how we are gonna learning how to make it colors. When you're making any kind of Photoshop design, like you're making your visiting card or any kind of logos in here, so how to do that? So in here, I'm going to tell you how to do that. So in here, we are just taking Elliptical Marquee tools on the round shape. Just press the shift for perfect shape. And in here, you see that. So we just press the shift and get this shape. And in here, we just see this option. In this option, just click it. And in here, you get the solid color option. So make it a solid color. You get a new layer like this. If you get layer like this, so you can change it, your color is anytime, anyhow. So this is really easier for you. So when you just work on any kind of layer, so you can change your layer easily and color, changing the color easily. So in here, you see this color bar is opening. You just wanna change the color. So you just press it and just you can change the color is easily. So this is really easier and the smoothing option. And in here is done now. So just make it color to darker, a bit darker. If you want to add a more option like this, just take the another shape and also like this. So just go to solid color and change the color. So now you can just copy your this shape. That's really easier. So press the Alt and just copy it. And also you can take your another shapes. You can just take another new layer like this house. So this will give you another color. So make it another shape. So this is house, and you also select all the layers. Just select everything and just you can move it and together. So this is it. So if you want to make it transparent background because you want to put it on any kind of you want to make it background transparent. So then you have to just you see that in here our background panel is locked. So you have to unlock this layer. Just unlock it and just press this button and unhide the layer. Just we have to unhide this background layer. Just and now I'm going to show you how to save any kind of file in Adobe Photoshop. So go to File, then Save As. So save on your computer. You see this is a Photoshop PSD. That's a Photoshop. When you just save on the Photoshop file, so you can save it in PSD. So in future, if you need any kind of editing or for you can edit easily, so you can make it save it Photoshop file. Always rename the file like this. Okay, so I just save it in Photoshop file. That's a PSD file, but you have to make it PNG transparent. And how to file and go to Save As and save to computer and make it and PNG, and this will be done. So this is how, so you can save it JPG and PNGs and also the PSD file for future editing. So and in every class I just want to give you every single little information. So if you are new in here, so if you don't have any kind of knowledge in Adobe Photoshop, you can learn. So this is it. So next class we are gonna learning that tools. This is a polygonal lasso tools and how to work polygonal lasso tools, and also these tools, these object selection tools and quick selection tools and magic coin tools, how to do that. So see you next class. I really don't want to make this class bigger. So if you have any kind of confusion, comment down below. See you another class. Take care.